Welcome, everyone, to the February edition of the Highball Advisors uh, Railroad Retirement Newsletter in freezing South Carolina. So, a lot going on this month so far in the markets. If you look, it's the commodity prices are really starting to spike up. You're seeing gold's up 27% already year to date, silver up 64%, crude oil, all those things that go into the inflation. So, that's something we'll be keeping an eye on here for the next couple months going forward. Um, Check out my whiteboard this month, important railroad retirement numbers for 2026. So for those who do those tax planning, right, take a look, print that out, save that for the year, understand what's coming out of your tier one, tier two, things like that, work deductions, all that. That's in that sheet there. Mailbag, why don't you collect Social Security and railroad retirement at the same time? So that's an important video just on those railroaders who think, hey, I paid into Social Security. I should be collecting that and railroad retirement. So check out that video. I have a very good flow chart on deductible contributions for IRAs. So the reason I put that in there is, I really want to encourage everybody to keep putting money away into retirement. Maybe some of you aren't doing a 401k. Well, at least do those IRAs or do the IRA for yourself and your spouse, right? Very, very good stuff. So check out the deductibility flow chart I have there. And then finally, the chart of the month is U.S. stocks have pulled off a rare hat trick. Basically, they've had 3 years of plus 15%. Very rarely that it ever happens. So we'll see what happens this year in 26. So we're kind of off to a mixed start right now, but we'll see. All right, railroaders. So listen, have a great month. Maybe we'll warm up for March. And until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.